Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a baby girl fit Dominic. So in today's video we're gonna install this lace wig. Okay, let me focus. This baby girl right here. So it's a frontal shop. This is my first time installing frontal, but I just want to do it. Just want to try it. Okay, so let's try it together. So the first thing, placing the wig on. I want to see if it actually match my skin tone. Obviously, it didn't match at all. Like, this is not HD lace, understand? But I'm not supposed to lay it down. Like, I don't want to glue it down before. So first of all, according to life, you have to cut here first. So like if I don't do this right, I swear down, that means you're not a good teacher. So I'm gonna place it back of my ear. Understand? Okay, still need to cut it more. I'm just joking. She's a good teacher. She's one of the best teachers that I know. That's also the cutting. See you through a little far away. 내게로 가서 melt your heart. 조금 서툴지만 이해해줄래. 동화 속에서만 보던 just like shining star. 서로 바라보는 이곳. I'll be always by your side. Sunny day, you make my dream come true. 행복한 너 그리고 나 어딜 비추고. With you by my side. So the first step's done. So I'm gonna come and turn backward. I'm bringing a little hair here. A little hair here. The next thing, I'm going to match the lids to my color so that it can match my skin too. 나의 품에 가득 안고 고백할 거야. You will always be my everything to me. Because I'm here to give my heart to you. Yeah. Sa-dum dum dum dum, sa-dum dum dum da 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 da. Everything is so right. 서로가 마주하는 이곳. We've been waiting for a love like this, my love. Yeah. So today makeup will be extremely fast. So I'm priming my face with the pond primer. I don't know, I'm going to put it by the side so you see it. I'm going to put it in the side so you see it. Okay, make sure that you don't moisturize before using this primer. If you moisturize before using this primer, it will work. It will not come out well. It will not come out matte. It will start breaking the moisturizer. So no need to moisturize before using the primer. So I'm going to use the Nova Beauty foundation in the shade D15. Understand? I'm just
I want this look to be very fast, so I'm just working like natural everyday look, everyday natural makeup look. So that's what I'm gonna do over here. Okay, so how you guys doing? This is a new year. I hope you guys are enjoying the year. 2022 is great. This year comes with a lot of blessings, a lot of things attached to it. When I mean a lot of blessings. Okay, so I want to key to it that this year is a year. This is a year that you will smile. This is a year that you will achieve everything you are always thinking of. A year that you want to make it. You want to be that boss lady or that boss. Okay, so this is our year. Like I said, let it just be in there. That I'm gonna use this concealer from Nova Beauty in the shade Pulse 16. Like I said, it's gonna be like everyday natural makeup look. So that's what I'm doing right now. Make sure you don't feel tired of blending. Just blend, okay? So don't be tired of blending. Understand? When you wanna blend your other eye, just do your piece like this. Look downward. Okay, so that the eye will open. Blend. Don't be tired of blending, just blend. Okay. This look is gonna be like everyday 5 minutes look. So you're gonna set your under eye using the Sacha Buttercup to set my under eye. Just to set the part that I applied the concealer on. You will always be my everything to me. So I'm gonna use my MAC face finisher. This is the second brand. This is the Nigeria brand, not the original MAC powder. And to just set all over my face. So I'm just using a brush from my set of brush to set all over my face. That's what I'm doing right now. Everything is so right. We've been waiting for a love like this, my love. Yeah. I'm gonna do my brow off camera. Okay, just 1 minute. Okay, so I'm done with my eyebrow. I just want to quickly, I forgot to apply cream brush, so I'm applying it now. It's not too late. I don't know, this step is very necessary these days, like extremely necessary. It will make your brush to pump out more, give you the contour that is already there, and the brows that I have not really contoured, so I will still contour. Okay, so you quickly blend it in because it marks the stick. Okay. Like I said, I don't have any cream brush, so what I'm applying right now is my eyeshadow. You understand? Like, I'm working with what I have. I don't want to spend extra coin. Not going out, just doing this tutorial for you guys. And it would still do the work. So what is the need of getting it when I can actually use what I have? Understand? Cream brush will make it look more beautiful, I understand. But since I don't have it, I will use what I have to just make the cream brush. So that's what I'm doing. Actually, after your foundation, your highlighter, you're supposed to apply the cream brush before setting your face. Understand? It will help to blend very well because everything is still wet. None of your face is still, not that it's looking matte already. Understand? So the cream brush and the brush is not blending well together now. But nevertheless, we can still work that out by setting our face again with our setting powder. I just pray that our face should not look cakey after all this, because when you use too much powder to set your face, it will start this too much foundation or powder like your face is too heavy, understand? So you don't use too much powder to set your face, just a little. But nevertheless, since I've already made that mistake, I don't want to set my face with little, like I'm able to look at what I'm doing. Okay, you see it? So that's all to my face. I'm still using my eyeshadow palette, understand? Because I don't have contour. Yes, you are wondering, how is it possible? Yes, it's actually possible. Everything, eyeshadow and face powder, is almost the same thing. They are also made with the same item, the same powder, just that they make the eyeshadow to be more pumpy, like more than the powder instead, understand? But they are still the same powder, and you can dust them out. Just the way you use them matters a lot, understand? So you must not get everything about makeup before you start doing your makeup. That is why I even stopped recommending the makeup product I'm using in my description box, because you would think that yours is not working very fine. You end up spending more money than you ever expected, and maybe eventually you will also give up on makeup. Like, you're spending much and you're not having the income back, understand? It's like spending instead of spending. Use what you have. Try to use what you have and create it. Like, try to see what works for you, understand? Don't just throw your makeup items away that, okay, because with Dominic use this product, I still want to try it on, you know, that kind of thing. But there are some products that really last longer when in terms of marriage, bridal makeup, understand? We'll get to that. But the first basic makeup things that you need is the cheap ones. Yes, makeup, you must not get the expensive makeup items before you start doing your makeup right. That is something about makeup that I've learned, and I learned that in a hard way, like after spending all my income, if I realize that. I'm sorry, I'm looking away and I'm still talking. Sorry about that. I don't want to cut this part. So, see how to contour from here. So you need to set your concealer that I used to highlight my under eye. I'm just setting with Ezekiel powder palette. This powder is so old, like really old, I'm not lying. See, I've almost finished everything in here. This empty, just these 3, just 4 remaining. You need a lighter shade to set your under eye so that your eyeshadow or your eyebrow will pump up more. Okay, so then use a darker shade to set the outer corner. A shade that is a bit dark, not dark shade. Oh, this is too much. So I'm gonna use the powder that we used to set all over our face, understand, to just make it blend very well. Next step now is baking. So I'm gonna use a shade that is lighter, understand, to just bake my under eye, then use a darker okay, so I'm gonna use the lighter ones, which I'm using right now, to just bake my under eye. So when you want to define your nose, don't use that blending foam, it will be too much. So just use a little brush at the start to just put the line. Say it, nothing much. When you want to define your brush when you want to define your contour, use a shade that is a bit closer to your powder palette. How am I going to put it? A shade that is a bit closer to your skin tone, understand? Not too bright, understand? So you can see this one is like cocoa. This from Laura Mercier setting powder. Like I said, this is not the real one. This is Nigeria brown. Yes, it's the Nigeria brown. Okay. So So this is what is called matte look. Understand? This matte look, okay? Simple, simple. So for eyeshadow, I'm not gonna go anything crazy, like I said, but I'm just going for a simple look. So I didn't even prime my eyeshadow, like I didn't even prime my eyes before applying the eyeshadow. But that is not good. That is not a good example. If you want to take the makeup like to a party or anywhere, if you want the eyeshadow to last longer, you actually need to prime your eyeshadow. Understand? So that is what I always show it in my video, in my other videos. Understand? The eyeshadow product, like the eyeshadow primer product that I'm using, as in the products that I'm using. Stop confusing, please. Okay, so I'm just blending using my fluffy brush to just blend the eyeshadow in. I use this shade a lot. If you notice, if you watch on my video, you notice that I use this shade a lot because it's cool. You need a darker shade like this before you go to the lighter one. Understand? So we are moving to the medium light. Just blend it out. Here like this. So before applying the last color, I'm just want to blend this part so that there will not be any harsh line. You don't need any harsh line. Okay, make sure you blend it out so that there will be any harsh line. Don't forget this part, please. This is very, very necessary, extremely necessary. You see the difference right now? Everything is coming together, right? So I changed the palette I'm using. I move on to Morphe eyeshadow palette because I have the white shade I'm looking for over here. It's not like white, it's like I'm looking at like faded white. Understand? Okay, just apply it here to just brighten the under eye. That is why I apply this color. So as you can tell, my contour is still showing. You just need to blend the powder and so that there will not be any line of demarcation. As you can see, my contour is still showing over here. See, wow, I love this eyeshadow. Like, so simple. This kind of eyeshadow you take to work, like office. Understand? Office. Not that you're gonna use like green eyeshadow to your office. Your boss will just sack you unless you're the boss, and it's not making sense. And you just use like pink, like orange, like green to work. No, it's a Monday, okay? You need to look simple, beautiful, everyday makeup look. This is what I'm going to do. Weekly. And this is not that time for me. So moving on to lip. Just want to use my normal baby. So use your blending form to press the excess powder in. Just so I'm moving to my highlighter. Okay, so are you saying this? Wow. Okay, bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.